Hey, hey, what? Ray Mack, hey, what? Hey, what? Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. Love and not hate. Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. What? Love and not hate. Come on. Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill.
Hey YouTube family, what's up? This your boy Ray Mack. Today we're going to do us some hot honey, and I'm talking about some good old tasting barbecue air fried. Yes sir, air fried chicken legs. I'm doing this here in the air fryer. So let me show you guys how I get this thing started. So I got me some marinated chicken that I let marinate overnight. Now, I know some of y'all asking, what do you use for the marinade? Okay, I got you. So what I did use to marinate this chicken was one thing, and that's this here Lowry's garlic salt. It gives this a good salty and garlicky flavor to your chicken, and it tastes so good after that. So now what I'm using is a paper towel, a strong piece of paper towel, y'all. Not no flimsy stuff. I'm telling you, you'll be fighting this thing. Dry your chicken legs off. After you dry these chicken legs off, I want you to go ahead and take some of this here Weber's honey garlic rub seasoning and just go ahead and spread it all over these chicken legs. Get front and back. So let's do this right now. Do me a favor. Don't you go nowhere, because if you do, you're going to miss something. Now we got that honey garlic rub on this thing. I'm telling you, y'all, we ready to go. Let's go ahead and do the next best thing, and y'all know what that is, huh? If you don't know, you're following the right one. Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. So this is what we're gonna do. And prepare yourself. Trust and believe me, it's going to be good. Get yourself a good old air fryer. Put your legs into the air fryer basket. Slide them right on into the air fryer. So I'm setting my temperature at 350 degrees, all right, because I don't want to burn this here chicken. Now I'm letting this cook for about 30 minutes until the internal temperature reaches 165. So I got some of this Mack hot honey, and I have some of this Uncle Stubbs spicy barbecue sauce, y'all. So in a pot on medium high heat, I'm taking some of this Mack's hot honey, adding it to the pot, and I'm taking some of this here Stubbs barbecue, the spicy barbecue, y'all. Two great combinations, and I just want to heat this up over medium high heat, because this is what I'm going to spread on my drumsticks, on my chicken drumsticks. Now, once your chicken drumsticks reach the temperature about 165 degrees or more, you can go ahead and do this next step. Add them to that sauce, because that Mack's hot honey is going to give this a nice glaze in the air fryer. Now, if you want your chicken a little bit more darker than what I have on mine, because I didn't add no type of oil or anything like that, you can go ahead and add you some oil, season it up, throw it in the air fryer, jack it up to about 400 degrees. I just didn't want mine dark because I was going to do this process. Now, once you put this back into your air fryer for about a good 5 minutes, this is what we've got. Some nice glazed hot honey barbecue chicken legs out of the air fryer. Now, I'm telling you, this is good, y'all. It is good. So once again, you've got to try this here recipe. So I'm plating these babies up, and I'm going to throw a little garnish on this stuff, y'all. So I got me some onions, some little green onions that I done went and chopped up or whatever, and just sprinkled right on top of these here legs, just to give a little color. You understand what I'm saying? They already looking a little pale, but I'm gonna give it a little color. But anyway, I'm taking some of this here barbecue hot honey sauce, and I just want to drizzle right on top of these legs. I'm telling you, if you try this sauce just like it is, you're gonna lose your mind. Now, try this on the grill too, because if you get that good old smoky flavor with this two combinations, you're gonna lose your ever-loving mind. I think I ate all these here chicken legs, and I didn't leave my wife any, and trust and believe me, she was like, what happened to all the legs? I say, Somebody came and ate them up, but it's only just us who living in the house. But you know what happened to those chicken legs. They were so good. I had to put the smack down on them, y'all. I swear to God. But this is what I want you to do. Thank you so much for watching Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Subscribe to my channel. Click on this picture for more videos. Watch more videos. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment on this video. Subscribe to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. Love somebody and hate nobody. I love you all. Peace.